Can you twirl? Oh, very nice. Can you jump in it? Show me how it jumps. Very nice, honey.
Can you do a butt wiggle in it?
Very pretty.
Can you play the piano in it?
Yeah. Sing us a song.
Why is this song about balls, Hannah?
Because I like balls.
Because you like balls.
Hannah, why don't you sing Jesus Loves Me?
Can you sing Jesus Loves Me?
What about Elmo's World? Oh, are you singing about balls because there's a ball right there?
Very good. Yay!